In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to create Outlook mail account. So creating an Outlook account is very simple and a straightforward process. For that, just open any browser you want and then search on your browser outlook.com. So we need to search it like this. And once you visit this website, click on sign in from the top right corner. And on the sign in page, we need to click on create one to create a new account. And now it will ask you to enter your username. Now you can go with outlook.com account or you can go with hotmail.com. So you can choose any extension from here. I'm just gonna go with outlook.com and then enter the email address here. Then click on next. But you can see this username is taken. That's why I need to tweak this username. So that's why I'm just gonna tweak it to something like this and then click on next. On the next step, we need to enter our password. Now make sure that password must have at least 8 characters and include a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, number and symbols. So I have included all of these things here, and to see your password, tap on this eye icon to show it here. I wanna hide it, that's why I'm just gonna click here. Now click on next. On the next page, we need to enter our country. So country will be automatically selected here based on your location, and then we need to choose our date of birth. So I'm just gonna choose my date of birth here, which will be something like this, and then click on next. On the next page, we need to enter our first name and last name. Again click on next, and here we need to confirm that we are human. And to do that, we need to follow this prompt, which is pressed and hold the button. So I need to press and hold this button here, and then I'll confirm that I'm human. And now you can see it has been confirmed. Then you can set your PIN and Face ID. I don't want to do it. That's why I'm just gonna click on skip. And there you go. My Outlook account has been created successfully, and I have been redirected to the Outlook dashboard. From here, I can send anyone an email. If you want to see your username, then for that, click on your account. For that, go to top right corner, and here you can see your username. You can see your name here too. And now you can use this account to sign up on any Microsoft account. If you want to sign up on any website, then you can use this Microsoft account to sign up there. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.